Okay, in this video, I'm gonna just follow the same technique rule that I've been applying, finding simple shapes. So we're gonna pick out one of these football players here, that guy right there, and there's a shape right there that I see, and that body looks like it could be a rectangle, almost a square, and then his legs, maybe if I separate them into two rectangles or maybe one big one. But in general, I've got those big shapes and I haven't worried about his arms or anything like that. I'm just looking at what are my big shapes that I can place the other shapes around. So that helmet looks like a circle, and as I said, a body looks like a rectangle, maybe almost a square rectangle. So it's not that tall. And then you see I kind of went over and over it until I had it shaped the way I wanted it. And now I'm looking at the direction that that rectangle that would be his left leg is going. See how I went on and just put it on the angle right then. I didn't put it straight down and then have to change it later. I went on and put that leg on that angle. And now I've got both legs in. And with just those few lines, you can already see a body shaping up. Now that I've got that in there and it looks okay, now let me go and turn that into a helmet. So you see I'm being more careful now. And now let me get this body together. Since I've already got the rectangle there for his body, now I've got something to relate to so that it can tell me where to put his arms or his shoulders. Go ahead and put some lines in there for his uniform. You just want to see how quickly you can sketch these things out. Let's turn that into a shirt. He has an arm that's coming down. I want to see how far down does that hand go. So it goes below his shirt, and if you look at the real picture, you'll see that his hand is right there, just a little bit below his shirt. And so you can use those kind of measurements to put things where they belong. So you see I've got it kind of in the right area. And so now I can relate other things to what I already have so that I can place those things properly. There's not a whole bunch of that other arm showing there, so I just got that little nub there, and it's going to be good enough. I want to go ahead and get done with this shirt, so I'll go ahead and kind of pencil that number in. He happens to have the number 69. So again, I'm not trying to be perfect. I just need a number 69 on this shirt, and so just sketching it in is going to be good enough. I'm not trying for perfection. If I was trying to get this thing absolutely perfectly right, I would be drawing much slower than this, and I wouldn't be using this kind of a bold pencil either. I'd have a much harder lead pencil so I could get more details in. Now at this point I want to get the legs right and put some feet in there, and you're seeing that this thing is shaping up real quick, and I haven't done a whole bunch of anything. It just really doesn't take a whole lot of time for you to get what you want done once you practice those simple shapes. Find simple shapes and then build around them, and you can get a lot done.